Here, you can go play now.
Hi, Boots. Hi, cute Boot. Hi, cute Bootsy. Hi. Boop boop. No. He's such a Nancy cat. He's just all over the place, isn't he? Or she? Which is it, a boy or a girl? I keep forgetting.
Girl.
Oh, he's a girl. I don't think she likes that. Oh, she doesn't like being held, does she?
Yes, she does.
No? She doesn't seem to like it much. Every time I picked her up,
Are you done?
every time I picked her up, she just doesn't like it. Oops. Why'd you do that? I don't think she likes that much.
I know he doesn't like it.